We're still working out how to use all the equipment in here.
Well, all pirates, yes, they robbed I, sold I to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I to the bottomless pit. Well, my hand was made strong, oh, by the hand of the Almighty. We go forward in this generation, triumphantly. Won't you help me sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had were redemption songs. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but yourselves can free your minds. Have no thought for atomic energy, 'cause none of us can stop the time. Oh, how long will they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? I guess that's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. So don't you help me sing, unless it's songs of freedom. 'Cause all I ever had were redemption songs. These songs of freedom, all I ever had were redemption songs.